What's up guys, Daryl from Rockville, and I'm here to introduce the new RPM870 powered mixer. This thing is basically the bigger brother of the 870 powered mixer, except this one has 14 channels instead of 8. It can output 750 watts per speaker, and just like the 870, this thing can connect through Bluetooth as well. So all these channels are pretty much the same except for channels 13 and 14. This is your dedicated stereo channel where you're going to connect your USB, MP3 player, and your Bluetooth, which actually I'm going to show you how to do right now. So if you look at the top right corner, there's a digital display with a few buttons here. You want to hit the play button for like 2 seconds, then hit the right button, and then it'll come to Bluetooth. So you hit Bluetooth, you just hit enter, and then the Bluetooth signal will pop up, meaning that it's ready to pair. I'm going to pair it to my iPhone. All right, so now I'm connected. Let me pull out my speakers. And my phone, connected via Bluetooth, is going to come out on channel 13 and 14 on the mixer. And in order for me to hear anything, I also have to raise the mains. So let's hear how this thing sounds. As you can tell, that was pretty loud. I wasn't even up the whole way on the faders either. On channels 13 and 14, I was up to about -5, and on the mains, I was only up to like -3. So if you're in a really large room, I don't think there'd be any problem with anyone not being able to hear this thing. But if you don't have a Bluetooth device, then you can actually still connect channels 13 and 14 via RCA inputs. Also, you can plug in a USB drive with music on it, or plug in your computer to the USB and play music coming from your computer. As I said before, most of these channels are exactly the same, and so I'm just gonna run down how one channel strip works. Go to record, hit the record button, hit play to enter, and then it starts recording. So this also works with an SD card and a USB adapter, just by plugging it in like a flash drive. All right guys, so that was the RPM870 powered mixer. This thing is gonna be perfect for large venues, live sound, houses of worship, basically any room that you need to fill a lot of sound with. It's got 12 mono channels and a stereo channel, Bluetooth connectivity, USB playback, recording outs, built-in digital effects, basically all the capabilities you would need from a live sound system.
What's up guys, Mike from Rockville here to introduce the new Rockville RPM870 8-channeled powered mixer. Before I say anything else, I just want you guys to hear this. Just want to give a quick disclaimer, the RPM870 is so powerful that we couldn't test it in our normal testing facility, so we're in our research and development lab right now. Let's listen to these. This is through 2 speakers. Instead of just 2 speakers, we upped it to 4 speakers using the through pathways on the passive speakers. Let's listen to that now. 8 channels, XDR2 mic preamps, a 7-band EQ, 24-bit effects, phantom power, and Bluetooth. This is one of the most versatile, portable, and powerful mixers on the market. Each mono channel on the mixer has XDR2 low noise mic preamps. Now these preamps are known for their crystal clear, high quality sound and for reducing any hum or noise that you might hear on other mixers that have lower quality preamps built into them. The mic preamps also have the capability to be powered by 48 volts of phantom power, which can be toggled here. This is for any condenser mic you might use with this mixer. You also have a 1/4-inch line input, which can be used for any acoustic guitar or any instrument that might use 1/4-inch cables. Next we have a 1/4-inch input, which allows you to route that specific channel to an outside piece of equipment like a compressor. Next we have a gain knob, which controls the specific level of the gain on each channel. I want to point out though the pad button, which is super useful for when you're miking high output instruments like a guitar amp. Then each channel is equipped with a 4-channel EQ that includes highs, high mids, low mids, and the lows. There is an aux knob over here which controls the amount of dry signal you're sending from one channel.
Hi, this is Matt at Mackie, here to tell you about our latest offering in compact analog mixers, and that is VLZ4. Now, VLZ4 is the original no-nonsense mixer series that created an industry over 25 years ago and has since become an industry standard in performance, design, and durability. Now, the keys to VLZ's long-standing success are many and rely primarily on an intense attention to detail and build quality, but also a long-standing cultural heritage here at Mackie Engineering of continuous improvement. And to that end, the VLZ4s feature not only all of the improvements that we've rolled into previous generations of VLZ mixers, but brand new developments in 3 key areas.